Alright, so next up, I'm going to be using the Matrix Food for Soft shampoo. I'm just making sure that it's getting nicely applied into my scalp. And make sure not to scratch your scalp with your nails, because doing that will damage your scalp, guys, I'm telling you. You guys should be massaging your scalp, not scratching it. Alright, so after shampooing my hair properly, I just rinse it out. After rinsing, this is what it looks like. So now I just moved on to the Aussie conditioner and made sure that that got applied everywhere. Now I'm going to take some elastics and section my hair into 4 equal quadrants. So I part my hair down the middle just to get 2 equal parts, and then I part one away. And then with my other section, I just split that in half and then section it. And then I do the same exact steps on the other side. Alright, so firstly, I'm going to be working with this section, and then I split this in half also. And then I split this in half again. Now I'm going to show you guys how to detangle your hair the right way. So what you want to do is just want to take your section and just run it through some water and just take your unbrush and just brush your hair. I find that this is the easiest and fastest way to detangle. This is what my hair looks like after properly detangling. Now what you guys want to do is section your hair into 4 equal quadrants once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'm going to take my first quadrant and just split it in half. This is the section that we're going to be working with. Now I'm going to split this in half. Product that we're going to be using, curlyhair. Y'all, I don't know what happened, but my camera quality was just tweaking, guys. Sorry. And I'm using bigger sections to do the coils. So about like this much. My hair is feeling a little bit too dry, so I'm just going to spray my section with some water. Now that my hair has some water, I'm going to take my comb and just detangle my ends. And I'm going to take some of the product. Oh, this product actually smells really good. And it like matches with my hair like perfectly. And then I go in a circular motion. Sometimes you might not detangle your ends properly, so I just go over it again. And then I keep twisting. Just like that. First one's done. Now you guys are going to want to repeat the same process with your second coil. Bro, this product is actually amazing. What in the world? And then I go in a circular motion from my roots and work my way down. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I finish this whole section. This section is nicely done. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like when it's fully done, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So before I showed the full end, I wanted to show a little bit more clips of when my hair was still in the process of being done. So this is what my hair looks like after I finished that whole entire side of my head. And then I finished one full side of my hair. Now I'm gonna finish this half off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after. This is what my hair looks like. My hair is still a little bit too wet, so I'm gonna show you guys how I diffuse my hair. Alright, so I grabbed my diffuser. I put it on medium power, medium heat. And then I tilt my head diagonally. Wait, is that diagonally? I don't really know, but that's how you diffuse your hair. And then I grab some CG oil. This oil is honestly the best hair growth oil I've ever used on my hair, guys. I'm telling you. Link will be in my description. Make sure to go check it out. So I rub the oil onto my fingertips and then I apply it to the roots of my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine. So you want to grab a satin bonnet. You could also use a satin pillowcase or a satin do-rag. I'm pretty sure that exists, but yeah, a do-rag would work too. So yeah, that's how I sleep with it. And so my hair dried and this is what it looks like. Alright, so now what you guys have been waiting for, how to actually get the curls. So what you guys want to do, you guys want to go over every single coil and split them in half and then recoil them. Some of your sections will be probably bigger than most, so all you guys have to do is just split them more than once and then recoil them. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after I split each and every one of them. And this is what my hair looks like. Whenever I do coils, I usually wear the twist up for about like a day or two. But if I want to wear them as curls, I just wet my hair and this is what they would normally look like. Y'all, my hair felt so long, guys. It's actually crazy. CG oil has definitely been growing my hair so much. Alright, so if you guys want extra definition, you guys can just take some gel and just apply it everywhere on your coils. Forgot to end the video, but if you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.